Simple tense 1. Simple present tense. 2. Simple past. Tense 3. Simple future tense. Simple present tense. Formula: subject plus V. One base form plus add S or ES for he, she, it. We use the simple present tense for daily actions or habits. The formula is subject plus base verb. For he, she, it, we add s or as. Subject plus V, one base form, plus add S or ES for he, she, it, I, plus play football. He plus plays football. We plus eat lunch at 1 p.m. She plus goes to school. I plus walk to work. It plus rains a lot in April. She plus reads a book before bed. He plus drinks coffee in the morning. You plus speak English well. He plus teaches English at a college. She plus sings beautifully. We plus go shopping on Saturdays. She plus wears a uniform to school. She plus cooks dinner every night. He plus listens to music in the car. He plus teaches English at a college. She plus sings beautifully. He plus works in a bank. She plus eats an apple every day. She plus talks to her friend on the phone. We plus read stories at bedtime. She plus sings beautifully. He plus works in a bank. 2. Simple past tense. Subject plus V. 2. Past form. We use the simple past tense for actions that happened in the past. Subject plus V2. Past form. I plus played football. She plus went to school. He plus ate lunch. We plus read a book. I plus watched a movie last night. She plus called her friend yesterday. He plus bought a new phone. They plus visited the museum. We plus played chess after dinner. You plus helped your sister. He plus slept early. She plus danced at the party. I plus lost my keys. We plus won the game. They plus ate all the cookies. He plus wrote a letter. She plus drew a beautiful picture. I plus spoke to my teacher. We plus walked to school. You plus cleaned your room. The plus dog barked loudly. She plus read a novel. He plus ran 5 kilometers. They plus built a sandcastle. I plus found a coin on the street. She plus made a cake. We plus took a taxi to the airport. 3. Simple future tense. Formula: subject plus will plus V1. Base form. We use the simple future tense for actions that will happen later. The formula is subject plus will plus base verb. I will play football. She plus will plus go to school. He plus will plus eat lunch. We plus will plus read a book. I plus will plus watch a movie tonight. She plus will plus call her friend later. He plus will plus buy a new car. They plus will visit their grandparents. We plus will plus play basketball tomorrow. You plus will help your brother. He plus will plus sleep early tonight. She plus will plus dance at the party. I plus will plus lose weight this year. We plus will plus win the match. They plus will plus eat dinner at 8. He plus will plus write a story. She plus will plus draw a picture. I will speak to the manager. We plus will plus walk to the park. You plus will clean your desk. She plus will plus read a novel. He plus will plus run in the race. They plus will plus build a treehouse. I plus will plus find a solution. She plus will plus make lemonade. We plus will plus take a taxi to school.